Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. JMall Public School welcomes you all in E-class. Myself Renuka Sistivar, your English teacher. Let's begin an online session of English. Our today's topic is A Mouse in the House. Chapter number 8, Part 1. This chapter is taken from your English reader. A mouse in the house. This chapter is based on OU sound words. OU sound words. OU sound blends. Let's see some words. OU sound words. Everybody read it loudly. HOUSE house. HOUSE house. MOUSE mouse. MOUSE mouse. BL blur. BL blur. OUSE blouse. OUT out. STOUT stout. SHOUT shout. Stir. Sure. OUCH ouch. COUCH couch. POUCH pouch. COUNT count. PROUD proud. LOUD loud. FOUND found. MOUND mound. HOUND hound. SOUND sound. ROUND round. GROUND ground. Ground. AROUND around. BOUNCE bounce. MOUNTAIN mountain. FOUNTAIN fountain. So these are OU sound words. This lesson is also based on OU sound words. A mouse in the house. Let's start the lesson. This is a lesson about a boy whose name was Bhanu and his sister Mona. Bhanu is a big boy. Bhanu is a big boy. He is 7 years old. How old are he? He is 7 years old. Bhanu is a big boy. He is 7 years old. His sister Mona, as you have seen in this picture, his sister Mona is small. Mona is small. She is only 3 years old. She is only 3 years old. Today, mother has to go to the market. She tells Bhanu to take care of little Mona. Today, mother has to go to the market. She tells Bhanu to take care of little Mona. Bhanu is a very good boy. He takes care of his sister. Mona is playing with her toys. She finds a big round pouch on the ground. See in that picture, the pouch is kept beside Mona. She finds a big round pouch, on the ground. She picks up the pouch and opens it. What comes? Out comes a stout mouse from that pouch, and it climbs on her blouse. A stout mouse comes out from that pouch and it climbs on her blouse. So, this is part 1 of this lesson. What happens next we will see in its part 2, part 2. I hope you all are understood. Let's see today's assignment. Find out the rhyming words of the given words and write in your notebook. These are some words from this chapter, from this lesson. OU sound words. For these all words you have to write their rhymings. Write rhyming words of given these words in your notebook. This all assignment you will write in your notebook. We will see you in its next part. Till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.